and welcome to Akshata's Recipes. Thank you so much for stopping by. So in today's Sankranti special, I will be sharing a recipe called Til Gul Poli, and it's really very delicious and very simple to make too. So without much further ado, let's just get started with this amazing Til Gul Poli. So for making the dough, in a large plate, we're going to take about half a cup of whole wheat flour and half a cup of all-purpose flour. To this, we're going to add a pinch of salt. Next, we're going to add about 2 tablespoons of melted ghee or clarified butter, and we're just going to mix everything well together. We're going to add a little water at a time, say about 2 to 3 tablespoons, and just knead this to a soft yet a firm dough. Something similar to what you would need for a paratha. The same consistency. The dough has to be soft yet firm and flexible. Now once your dough is formed, just add about a teaspoon of clarified butter or ghee and again knead it well. And then we're going to just set the dough aside for about 15 minutes. And then we're going to make the stuffing for this Til Gul Poli, which consists of just about 4 ingredients. So now our dough is nice and firm yet soft, and now we're going to make the stuffing. So in a pan, I'm going to be roasting about quarter teaspoon of teal or sesame seeds till they're nice and golden brown. Now I'm just making 4 of these Til Gul Polis. So depending upon the number of polis that you want to make, you can just either double the quantity or triple it. Now once your teal is nice and golden brown, we're just going to grind it to a coarse powder rather. You can do this in a mortar and pestle, or you can also do it in your mixer pot. So we want a nice coarse paste. We don't want a very fine powder. Now the other ingredients are another quarter cup of roasted peanut powder, 3/4 cup of grated ghee and 1 teaspoon of elaichi powder. We're just going to put all of these ingredients into our blender or mixer, and we're going to grind everything together because we want everything to mix well together. Now the ghee or the jaggery is grated, and then you get something that resembles breadcrumbs. So that's the consistency we're looking for, and everything is nicely mixed well together. Then we're just going to mix everything together and add a few drops of ghee till it combines together to form a kind of a soft dough. So now our stuffing is ready and our dough is ready, and now we're just going to make these polis. So divide the dough into 4 equal halves. And then we're just going to flatten it from the sides only. We're going to keep the center a little thicker. And then we're going to divide the filling equally into 4 parts. Make them into flat balls. So this is our stuffing, like you would add stuffing to an aloo paratha or any paratha that you make. Just take off the extra that comes on the tip when you form this kind of a shape. And then what we're going to do it very gently, we're going to press the filling inside so that it evenly spreads throughout the dough, so that when we are rolling it on our rolling board, we get the filling evenly all over. So now we're just going to dust the surface with some flour and we're going to roll it out, and you can actually see the filling through the the dough or the flour. And now we're just going to roast it on a pan like we would with a regular paratha. And once one side is roasted, we're just going to add some clarified butter, turn it or flip it, and again add a little bit of clarified butter on the top. Fry it well till it becomes a nice golden brown color. Like this. And your Til Gul Poli is ready. So you can serve this with a little bit of melted ghee on top, and it tastes simply yummy.